Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install MX Linux 23.5 on VMware Workstation. First, download by going to MX Linux official website, that is mxlinux.org. Hit enter, then click on download. See here, the current release is MX 23.5. Okay, see here we have different editions like KDE, Fluxbox, XFCE. I am going to download XFCE. So, if you want to KDE, click on here. I want to download MX Linux 23.5 x64-bit operating system. So click on it. It is Debian. Okay. Wait a moment. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 2.2 gigabytes. Okay, I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. See, it is type of Debian. Okay. So once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Either is fine. Click on next. Now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Click on browse. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Go to downloads. See here I have the file. Click on open. Click on next. Select the Linux and select version as Debian. Debian latest version. Debian latest version is 12. Okay, select Debian 12 64-bit. Then click on next. Then here we have to provide the name. I am giving MX Linux 23.5 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Now click on browse to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Now we have to provide virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Click on next. See, by default memory selected as 2 gigabytes. If you want to increase it, click on customize hardware. Use the pointer. Then click on OK. Click on finish. Still, if you want to edit settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings or VM and select settings or select the virtual machine and click on edit virtual machine settings. All three options are set. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is MX 23.5 x64 and hit enter. See here, if you want to use this for temporary or testing purpose, you can use it without installing. But if you want to install permanently, click on this installer and right click and execute, or click on install MX Linux. Either is fine. So click on MX Linux. That is install MX Linux. See, it is checking the installation media. If you don't want to, then press escape. See, this is the terms of use. Click on next. And if you want to change the keyboard settings, click on change keyboard settings. See here, we have these options. Okay, keyboard model. See, we have different options. I am going with the default, so cancel it. Then click on next. See, select the type of installation, regular or customize disk layout. I am going with regular install using entire disk. Click on next. Click on start. Select the format and use entire disk for MX Linux and start. Now we have to provide the computer name or host name. I am giving MX 23 VM. If you have domain name, you can provide. Otherwise, keep as example. If you don't have, keep it as this and click on next. Localization, I am going with the defaults. Time zone also defaults. If you want to configure time zone, you can select from this drop down list. Okay, I am going with all defaults, so click on next. Now we have to create user account. So I am giving user account name as R2 Schools. Then provide the password for this account. Then if you want to set password for the root account, just select the checkbox and provide the password. If you want to enable this auto login and save live desktop changes, you have to select the checkboxes. Then click on next. See, installation is in progress. This may take time. I am pausing this video and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will log in and we will perform the post installation steps. See the checkbox. Automatically reboot the system when installer is closed. So if you select it and if you click on finish, it automatically restarts. See, wait a moment, it is rebooting. See the message here, please remove the disk, close the tray and press enter to continue. Okay, so right click on this virtual machine, go to settings, then go to CD DVD. We have to unselect these checkboxes. Then click on OK. Then click on this console and hit enter. Now provide the password for this username. Hit enter. See, before we were having install MX Linux. Now it is gone. Also we were having install icon on the desktop. Now both are gone. And close this one. Now open terminal by clicking on this applications menu. Then type terminal. Click on terminal emulator or XFCE terminal. Either is fine. Let us change the font. Edit preferences. Then select. Then change the font appearance. Now if you want to verify the IP of this machine, just give if config. See, if it won't work, then give the IP ADDR. See, this is the IP of this machine. Control A. Now the first step is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. This typo. Hit enter. See, updation is in progress. So in this video we have seen how to download and install MX Linux 23.5 on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.